My name is Catherine Wanjeri Kariuki, the journalist who was shot on the 16th of July 2024. I was here at Nakuru Central Police Station to report on a case. I feel like I am not safe being in Nakuru or anywhere in the country because it's funny how the person who called me when I landed in Nakuru, and apparently I was having a doctor's appointment that day, and they gave some information, and actually your question, they insisted on calling me back, but I did not pick it after they gave me that information and dared me not to share that number with the police, with anyone. And since that day, Nakuru has been a place that I don't feel safe or anywhere else. Movement of vehicles that have been following me, and it makes me feel not so safe and not comfortable. That kind of intimidation would make you scared, would make you get to a situation where you want to drop this case. And apparently it's a thought I've been having because I felt maybe they want to reach out to me, and if they cannot, they will go to my family. So it's something that I've been having, that the association has told me that the case is ongoing, and like you see now, we've been told that there is a hold at the DCI, and the more the case takes long, the longer I'll feel I'm not, because I know, and we all know that the person who shot me is out there, he's still working, and we don't know what powers they have in the National Police Service department. So I don't know what protection they have. So, and like I was saying, I'm just a normal journalist. So for me, I have no protection.
These people are calling her without identifying themselves, informing her that they have information that can help her know the person who shot her. But the fact that this person doesn't want to be identified, we feel like the person doesn't have good intentions. And since then, she has been forced to avoid some calls, just to avoid receiving these kinds of calls, because the person was requesting her for a meetup so that he or she can show her the person who shot her. We would want to ask the agencies involved, the IPOA, the ODPP, and the police to cooperate so that to ensure that this matter comes to a conclusion. We want to see justice take its course, because we feel the investigations have really taken time, and these things are happening because of this delay. And if this person can be identified, the culprit who did the shooting, if they can be identified in time,